Hi. Meet Rashid. He is the production manager. His role is to ensure that manufacturing processes run reliably and efficiently. Part of his job is planning and organizing production schedules, organizing the repair and routine maintenance of production equipment, and assessing project and resource requirements, and also overseeing the production process for the whole production line. But sometimes an unexpected situation happened. For example, the production suffers the drop. Even though the number of workers increase, the production also runs at optimum speed, and the maintenance is done as scheduled.
Why production drop?
Rashid searching for a solution. But sometimes he unable to find the root cause of the problem, especially with a limited number of data from the production process. Then he found out about OEE. Overall equipment effectiveness. With OEE, monitoring production lines can be done on a regular basis with enhanced production generation capabilities. With the assistance of interactive digital data, the factory can take the benefit to adopt data-driven anywhere, anytime, and any device frequently with proper synchronous data management. With OEE, Rashid also can minimize uncertainty maintenance of machine breakdown at the production line. OEE also can maximize productivity and workforce efficiency with overtime optimization. Other than that, Rashid also can maintain high-quality products with a high production guarantee. With all benefits offered, Rashid believes OEE would solve his problem, benefit the company. But now, how should Rashid start?